Hello, welcome back. So yeah, we are approaching end of year. I just come just to wish everyone a nice holiday. Everyone a nice holiday. Don't drink and drive. Just stay safe. Enjoy and know the limits. Uh, Most bad things um, usually okay during this time of enjoyment, festive holidays. People they are overexcited. They ended up in jail. They ended up in hospital. They ended up in bad situations. So I didn't come to fix anything, but I just wish everyone from the channel. I love you so much, guys, and I was so much disappointed when I missed my microscope camera. I tried to think about it, but there was hard times always. Uh, we must expect them here and there. So what did I come today? I come with surprise. This surprise for everyone. So this is a plane. We want to enter 2026 in style. So yeah, 26 we wanna fly. We wanna fly, we wanna move fast. So we are going to build a plane here. These are DIY kits. I ordered it on AliExpress. They came together with the the camera for the microscope. So here I didn't start anything. These are the components. Everything is in pieces. We have to build a plane here. Uh, we have to figure it out and build a plane. Hope everyone is ready to fly. I think this is supposed to be like this. Or like this. So let's try to do it. Let's try to do it. This must be very quick. This must be very quick. So just stay tuned. I'll put all these components and then we'll see if this plane will work. We finished to build the plane, but unfortunately I overlooked the package. It's very unfortunate because they sent a chip. I think the chip was dead during transportation or what happened. The plane is not flashing because when you put these cells here, one cell, 3 volt cell, 3 volt cell, it has to flash these lights. But I will show you what is beyond my control. I will show you. That's our plane here. If we check on this chip, we check on this chip on one of the pins. The chip doesn't have corner. The chip doesn't have corner, so this is the unfortunate part. But that can't stop us from flying because 2026 we wanna fly. 2026 we wanna fly, and I'm sure everyone is ready to fly. We can fly together, despite the fact that uh, I'm sure maybe something happened in transit or they send this chip like this, and there's nothing that I can do. But I wish everyone just you can fly. You and me together, we can fly. We can fly. These kits, they are helpful for the beginners who want to learn electronics. You can buy these kits, you build them. Last time, what did I order? Was a Christmas tree. In the Christmas tree, I didn't have any problem, but this one I'm having problem. It's not flashing. So just have a nice beginning 2026, and best of best to everyone. Bye bye.